if you want to adjust your columns or rows width or height, instead of selecting one by one and going to properties and set, you could go to the cell size, click here to go to the table properties, or right click table properties, doesn't matter. We have also two tabs for row and column. For example, let's say for columns, I could navigate between each of them. Previous column, next column, you see, it is very easy. And also you could see the column number. For example, here I want to reduce the column width. And even I could disable the preferred width and measure based on the percent or centimeter, maybe 2 centimeter. Go to the previous one, and you see immediately after navigating, it will update it. Sadly, it is not lively updating. It is the old system. Yet you could, by navigating, check the values. And also for rows, let's go to the very top row. Maybe here, I could specify the height. And on the option, we have allow row to break across the page, which I will mention about these options also repeating the header. But for now, we have, look at here, row height is at least something. And exactly it is the fixed value. If I set, for example, 2, it is exactly 2 centimeter. But if I set at least something like maybe 1 centimeter, it will be at least 1 centimeter, but depends on your font size, spacing, margins, it will resize and affect it. And also we have for entire table, we could set the preferred width for entire table and measure based on the percentage or centimeter. Also the table alignment, top left, here, center or right. And note that this is the alignment of table, not alignment of your contents. For example, I could shrink it. You see, it is the top right. Allow me to also resize the height. There is no more spacing. Go to the table properties, and here I could set center. Okay.